destinations in the Philippines.
Yes, of course, Holy Week is coming up already. A lot of people go out of town.
Yes.
Pero I always tell people, some kasi choose staycation.
Yes.
If you choose to stay here, di ba? Minsan maganda nga, minsan to stay here in the Manila kasi walang traffic.
Kasi lahat sila nasa Baguio.
Yeah, but you can go to Intramuros. It's actually quite beautiful. When we're actually
The
already
church.
completing the Museo de Intramuros, we're going to have really a beautiful museum with all these artifacts. The old ones, they can go around Museo de Intramuros. You can even go on a food trip in Chinatown. You can go to the National Museum of Natural History. I think ang maganda yung problema, since it's free, haba-haba ng linya ngayon just to enter. Bisita Iglesia, there's a tour going around all the churches, all around either Manila. I go everywhere in Quezon City. Bisita Iglesia, Thursday. Intramuros, we would have that.